Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for September 12th to the 24th. For the 12th to the 16th, we have a trough here in the west. We have a ridge here across the southern plains into the southeast with above normal heights in the east. And the models are pretty good agreement with this. You can see it right here. Skim through the models. And during this period, we're expecting several waves of low pressure to track across the northern states and bring heavy locally rain to the upper Midwest on Thursday. So here's Thursday now. Here's areas of heavy rain. That's a GFS. Here's a European. And what is that snow back there? In the mountains of in the mountains in the Rockies, but this is the European. That's a GFS. So I have locally heavy rain, and this front will move to the East Coast by the weekend, and an easterly wave may affect portions of the southeast and the Gulf Coast states, but late in the week it will cause increase in showers and thunderstorms activity along with locally heavy rain. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for September 15th to the 19th. And the flow doesn't really change very much. We still have a trough here. Excuse me. A trough here and over the northwest. Still have our ridge here above normal heights in the east. So we go to the period, we go to the 19th, and you see this is what we're forecasting for this period. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here for this region, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast here with anomalies of 2 to 5, maybe 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for this region here. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Below normal precipitation is forecast here, with the probability of occurrence is 35%. Looking at the period for September 20th to 24th, the flow seems to flatten some. It's not as pronounced. It still have like a west-southwest flow across much of the nation. And this happens as this trough here broadens and this ridge starts to lift out. So all in all, the models are pretty good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, above normal precipitation forecast for a large area of the nation, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And then we have below normal precipitation here, and for the northeast, probability of occurrence is 35%. And we're going to just take a quick look at the tropics. We have a wave that's developing off the Carolina coast. There are several waves out here, but the one that might have the greatest chance of development is coming off the African coast. And we go through the days, the GFS. You can see its system starting to develop right here, a little bit of a spin. This is the pressure. And then it starts heading towards the Leeward Islands, Windward Islands. By the weekend, we had to see this. It develops something. That's something to be watched. There's other little waves here and there, but whatever it develops, we'll have to deal with this trough or upper low causing a southwest shear. So we'll see. That's still days out. We have to see how that goes. That's a long-range weather forecast discussion for September 12th to the 24th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.